Over 50% of businesses have Google Analytics installed, but never use it correctly. Imagine flying a plane blindfolded. That's how they're running their websites. Curious why most fail while a few dominate? Stick around, because I'm diving deep into Google Analytics, and I'm mastering it in just 7 days. Google Analytics isn't just a nerdy dashboard, it's your digital crystal ball. With it, you'll know who's visiting your site, what they're doing, and what makes them convert or bounce. In this video, I'm putting it to the test. 1 week. No shortcuts, just results. Let's be real, most people open Google Analytics and instantly feel overwhelmed. There's too many tabs, too many graphs. What does bounce rate even mean? Where do you find out which pages actually make money? And what the heck is an event or conversion path? That's where I started. Confused, frustrated, and wondering, am I even doing this right? So I gave myself a mission: learn Google Analytics in 1 week, and actually use it to grow. Here's how I broke it down. Day 1 to 2 setup, creating a GA4 account, connecting it to my website. Day 3 dashboard walkthrough, what to ignore and what matters. Day 4 metrics that move the needle. Users, engagement time, conversion rate. Day 5 to 6, custom reports and events, tracking buttons, scrolls and purchases. Day 7, analyzing and adjusting. Where do users drop off? What content keeps them hooked? It clicked when I stopped treating it like data and started treating it like a story. Each number tells you what your audience loves or what's making them leave. Case in point, I noticed one landing page had a 96% bounce rate. Instead of guessing, I looked at session duration, exit pages, and scroll depth. Turns out, people weren't even seeing the CTA. I moved it higher, added one testimonial, and boom, CTR increased by 38% in 3 days. That's the power of Google Analytics when you use it intentionally. Mastering Google Analytics in a week wasn't about learning everything. It was about focusing on the right things: setup, metrics, behavior, and action. With just these, you can turn raw data into real decisions that grow your business. Have you tried using Google Analytics, or are you just guessing what works? Drop a comment with your biggest GA struggle or win. And check out my next video for advanced tips that even pros forget. Let's stop guessing and start growing. In this bonus chapter, we'll dive into advanced Google Analytics features like custom dimensions, user segmentation, and funnel visualization. These tools can provide deeper insights into user behavior and help you optimize your website even further. Stay tuned as we explore these powerful features and show you how to implement them effectively. With custom dimensions, you can track more specific data tailored to your business needs. User segmentation allows you to understand different user groups and their behaviors, and funnel visualization helps you identify where users drop off in the conversion process. These advanced tools will take your analytics game to the next level, enabling you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of Google Analytics together. Now that we've covered the basics and some advanced features, let's look at real-world case studies. We'll analyze how different businesses have successfully used Google Analytics to drive growth and improve their online presence. By utilizing custom dimensions, they identified that their mobile users were experiencing longer load times. They optimized their mobile site, resulting in a smoother user experience and a significant boost in sales. By tailoring their content to this segment, they saw a 50% increase in engagement and a 20% rise in affiliate revenue. Finally, let's explore how a tech startup used funnel visualization to improve their onboarding process. By identifying where users were dropping off, they simplified their sign-up flow, which led to a 40% increase in user retention. These case studies highlight the transformative power of Google Analytics. By applying these strategies, you too can unlock valuable insights and drive meaningful growth for your business.